I didn't want to change careers. I was forced to change careers. You know, you're going great at a job that you think is gonna last forever. I was living the life, and then all of a sudden, I got a new boss, new ideas, things change. So then that's when the unemployment came into play. I was in this bubble, consumed with trying to find a job. In the beginning, I had no fear. I had my degree, I had experience, and I thought it would be I really did think it was gonna be a piece of cake. But then later on, after nobody was biting, I was on the computer at home alone. It's a daunting thing to just not be working when you're used to working all the time and making money, and you don't want to tell anybody. And they say if you have a degree, you know, everything will come to you when it doesn't. I took a class at WorkSource, and the lady there introduced me to Dress for Success. You go through a program there. We went over my resume. We went over some skills on, you know, what you do in an interview. Then toward the end, we did mock interviews. They give you your own dresser. I felt better about myself and better about my situation. Once I found out that there was a way, I wasn't alone. I can help people. You know, how you doing, girl? What you doing? You're looking great. Let's go. Let's sit down about it and give the same positive feedback that they gave me in Dress for Success that I needed during that time in my life. I can give that back to people. Dress for Success, they don't know what they do. Maybe they do know what they do when you're just at your wit's end. They are there for you. They're there for women. They want you to be successful. And it's not about they're going to get you a job, which I love about it. No. They're going to give you the skills or teach you the skills in which you need in order to go out and get the job on your own. The tools that you need, being confident, having that confidence, giving you those clothes. Clothes are important that you feel good in, you feel comfortable in, that you can go in and say, yeah, I can slay this, because look at me. I got this. That's what Dress for Success has taught me. You can be who you are, you know, and you can look good doing it. They give you, you know, some clothes. So it's really nice. You can support Dress for Success and women like me. Go to add-ons right now and donate.